Passionate Carnivores. Today I'm going to share my ultimate carnivore meal prep for throughout the week. So you just need beef, butter, bacon, eggs, and cheese. You need containers. I'm going to write down everything that we're making. Muffins. These are my absolute favorite. Perfect meal prep. Even tastes good cold. Nope. You gotta go down, Gingy. We're cooking. And then we got burger patties, bacon, and boiled eggs. I'm gonna start off by filling this with water for the boiled eggs. This is great meal prep. You just go in the refrigerator and it's so delicious. I like to chop it up into pieces, the yolks and the egg whites, and then Redmond salt. And you can add bacon crumbs to it. It's so delicious. Perfect meal prep. So we're gonna fill this up. Okay, well that fills up. I'm gonna start up by cooking bacon. I love to have bacon and Ziploc bags in the refrigerator. Bacon does go quick, or at least my family, like my dad eats it also. I have to hide it in the refrigerator. I'm heating up a cast iron skillet. I put a little bit of beef tallow in it. Okay, this is filled up enough. I'm just gonna add in some eggs. Okay, and then I just turn this on. And then you wait for this to boil, put this on, and then once it starts boiling, you set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, and then we're gonna add bacon. I really should have chopped them in half so it goes faster. I'm gonna start off by shredding up some cheese. This is for the power muffin. Make sure you guys get a block of cheese because shredded cheese has a bunch of additives and wax and preservatives to make it last longer, so shred up your own cheese. I think I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Okay, so I have these burger patties from Costco. I love to just cook them up in the air fryer. It's so fast and convenient. Whenever I cook anything, I just do it for 5 minutes, check on it, flip it 5 minutes. For anything that I cook, that's what I do. Okay, the bacon can be flipped. Smells so good. The bacon's cooking. The bacon is one of them, and then the boiled eggs is a meal prep, and then the burger patties is a meal prep, and my favorite is the Power Bowl muffins. Gives you the best energy ever. Beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. It is so delicious warm and you slather butter on it, but it's also so delicious cold. Oh, Skip! Oh, hello! I love you! This is my sweet pea. I don't know if you guys watched my other video, but if you haven't, a quick little backstory. Before we got her on a raw diet, she couldn't see at all. Her eyes were always shut and foggy, and you couldn't see the beautiful green in her eye. She couldn't hear. You'd have to scream super high pitched for her to be able to hear, and she couldn't see. She'd bump into everything. Anyway, now she can see, and you can see the beautiful green in her eye, and she doesn't bump into anything, and she's so much more energetic, and her fur is so soft. Can you see her eyes? And she just does laps around the house. I did this really poorly. I should have put the bacon in the air fryer and done the ground beef and patties in there, but that's okay. And then I have these containers for my power muffins, burger patties, bacon, and I need one more for the boiled eggs. I love, love, love boiled eggs. I used to not be a fan of boiled eggs, but now I love them. This one's probably good. I'll pull that off. My 5-minute timer just came off. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna do another 5 minutes. Boom, grab a plate, some paper towel. These guys are good. Look how crispy and delicious that is. I love bacon. This is really boiling now, so now you just turn it off the heat. I am going to set a 10-minute timer. Boiling, right? Yep, perfect. The tricky part is to not eat all the bacon. Oh my gosh. When I move out, I'm gonna thrift all of my dishes. This was like $1. You can go to St. Vincent and every single glass thing is like $1. Now I'm gonna start cracking my eggs for the power muffins. Power muffins are my all-time favorite. Everyone always asks me what's my favorite. I have so many things. I love a good meat lover's cheesy omelet. These power muffins are so good. Those meatballs I made yesterday, oh my gosh. I made those meatballs yesterday. I don't know if you guys watched that video, but that, oh my gosh, it's a ground beef, but I used Wagyu beef. I think that's how you pronounce it. Cheese and bacon. So delicious, it's so flavorful. The outside was nice and crispy and like crunchy, and the inside was soft and juicy. It was just so delicious. Okay, the air fryer just beeped. Ooh, okay, I think these ones are done. It takes 10 minutes to make 2 burger patties, so I'm going to do the same thing again. Okay, and now I'm gonna add 2 more. I totally forgot to set a timer. Oh goodness, how long has that been? I'm gonna wait 6 minutes. I don't remember how long that's been going. Quick interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. We also sell carnivore merch. I'm gonna start whisking up my eggs. I'm gonna actually add some red mint salt to this. I don't know why, but I just thought about that now that maybe some salt would make it better. I never really do, but what could go wrong? I think the bacon is done. Yep, and then I can start on my ground beef. Bacon done. Oh, a little crispy. I'm worried, I don't know. I forgot, I never set a timer for this. Ooh, I almost just wiped out on the cord. Anyways, I'm done with these burger patties. I'm just making up 4 burger patties because I have a lot of food right now and I want to make sure that nothing goes to waste and that we'll be able to eat it all. Now I'm gonna cook up my ground beef. This is Wagyu ground beef. I'm gonna leave all the bacon juice in here because I think it's gonna give it much more flavor. Burger patties are done, so I'm gonna do another 5 minutes. Okay, let me turn this on again. I'm gonna cut this guy open. I can put this bacon away. Okay, I'm hoping the eggs are ready. I just take a bowl and I turn on cold water. Boom. Ground beef cooks up so fast on a cast iron pan. It's gonna be so delicious with the bacon juice in it. Okay, this just went off, so my burgers are done. Boom. Boom. Ta-da. Cheese is good. Put this in a bag and put it away. We have a big problem. I just looked everywhere for our muffin tin pan, and my dad just got this one, but the problem is it doesn't fit inside here, and I can't find my normal one. Uh-oh. My toe's bleeding. This was in the cabinet down there and I was looking and it came out and this thing fell out and it nicked my toe. I'm just going to be making a quiche today instead of a muffin. I really recommend the muffins. It's just so much better, more convenient because it pops out. The quiche I'll just have to cut up, but that's okay. Of course, this doesn't fit in it and our other oven's broke. Dang it, that really sucks. I wanted muffins, but that's okay. We'll work with what we have. I'm going to add beef tallow to my pan. This is a 7-pound thing of beef tallow. We use it every single day. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. I just got it off Amazon. Just making sure to get it all real good so it doesn't stick. My ground beef is really going. I like to get mine nice and crispy. This is gonna be so delicious with the bacon grease in it. It gives it so much more flavor. Ground beef is done, and now I'm going to chop up a little bit of bacon for my power muffin, and then the rest of the bacon I'm just gonna save for later. I'm gonna save some bacon for later and use some for my quiche. Oh, I'm gonna preheat this to 350 degrees. Bake, 350, start, boom. I'm gonna put my ground beef in a bowl to stop it from getting more cooked. Bada boom, bada bat. Okay, we clean as we go. Now I'm just going to pour this in here. I'm gonna add some bacon and my cheese. This is gonna be so flavorful with the bacon juice and the ground beef. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Now I'm gonna put this in for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we wait 20 to 30 minutes. Gonna clean up my mess real quick. Gonna put this in a Ziploc bag. I know someone's gonna be like, you just took a bite out of that. Hey, it's my family's food, so I'll do whatever I want. This is the frosting that goes on top of the quiche. We got my burger patties. I'm gonna put these in a container and I'll eat it throughout the week. I love to snack on it. It's even so good cold. These are my favorite. Whenever I'd stay at my friend's house, I would just bring these and leave them in the refrigerator, and it was good throughout the weekend that I would stay there. You know, people have salad bowls and they go like this. Do this with the salt. And boom, first meal prep. Don't mind these dishes. I'm gonna do that after I'm all done. Boom. This one's got pretty spots on it. You see that? That's okay that it's like that because I'm going to chop them into little pieces. Add some red mint salt. Then I just chop it up. And this tastes so good chilled. This is one of my favorites. You just go in the fridge and it's nice and chilled and it's so good. Alright, so we have my boiled eggs, bacon, and burger patties, and I'm waiting for the quiche to cook. I think it's done. Boom. There you have it. Carnivore quiche. Powerful quiche. Cheesy, bacon-flavored ground beef. Delicious. All right, well, that is my carnivore meal prep. We got this beautiful quiche. We got boiled eggs, burger patties, and bacon. This is my meal prep. This is enough for me. This is probably gonna last me 3 days. The reason I didn't make much more is because I'm gonna be doing more cooking videos and I don't want any of this to go to waste. I wanna make sure that me and my family's gonna eat this all. Comment down below what you guys use for meal prep. And thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best today and always. Bye. Beep.